back here on a 2001 Ford Escape. We have the V6 in here. We got a little bit of a rough idle, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull our idle air control valve off here. We're going to give it a little spritz and clean it up a little bit and reinstall it and have that fix our rough idle. Alright, this is a fairly easy repair. We're just going to disconnect our wiring. We got two 8mm bolts on the top. Pull both those out. Let's take a look what we got here. This one isn't too bad. So what we're going to do is just going to spray a little bit of brake clean in there. Just clean it up a little bit and reinstall. Here on our 01 Ford Escape, we're just going to reinstall our idle air control valve. We pulled the old one off the other day. We tried to clean it. It didn't do anything to our idle problem that we're having. So we just went and warrantied the part, and we're going to install a new one. It comes with a new gasket here, so I'm just going to use a little pick tool to gently get this old gasket out. I'm just going to press the new gasket in. We're using set it on top. And secure it using the bolts. These are just 8mm bolts. We're just going to snug them down. Just like that. Plug it in, we hear it click, to engage, and there we go. Let's go grab the keys and see if that takes care of the problem. There we go, guys. Problem solved. Idle's like it should now. So if you're having a rough idle on any of these 3-liter Ford Duratec V6s, this is the same motor that's also in the Mazda Tribute. Go ahead and check that out. It might be dirty. You can try to clean it, and that might take care of it. In this case, the valve had actually failed, so we needed to replace it. So if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks, guys.